Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of natural skincare with an amazing DIY anti-aging facial oil blend. Now, there's a wide variety of oils on the market, from rosehip to papaya seed, cucumber to pomegranate. These oils are packed with essential antioxidants that are incredible for your skin. In today's video, I'll be showcasing 3 special oils and creating a powerful anti-aging facial blend. But first, why use a facial oil? Well, it's loaded with vital antioxidants that nourish your skin. The blend I'm making contains vitamin A, known as retinol, which helps shrink pores and reduce wrinkles. It also has vitamin C for clearing hyperpigmentation and brightening the skin, and vitamin E for deep hydration and keeping your skin looking youthful. So let's head to the kitchen and get started with the recipe. For our carrier oil, I'm using avocado oil, but feel free to use your favorite carrier like grapeseed, olive, or coconut oil. Next up is rose oil, rich in antioxidants and perfect for hydrating, exfoliating, and boosting collagen production. Finally, we add vitamin E oil, a fantastic hydrator that nourishes the skin deeply. Now let's mix all these wonderful oils together. Voila! Our 3-ingredient anti-aging facial oil is ready. Remember, this facial oil is best used at night. Just apply 2 to 3 drops to your skin before bed and wake up with beautifully refreshed skin. You can apply the oil directly to your skin after your skincare routine or mix it into your moisturizer or serum. And there you have it. A simple yet effective DIY anti-aging facial oil blend using natural oils. Remember, store it on your counter and enjoy it for over 6 months. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Bye.